Keeping garlic under your pillow is a traditional remedy believed to have potential benefits for sleep, although it lacks scientific evidence to support its effectiveness. The idea behind this practice is rooted in the belief that the aroma of garlic can have a calming and soothing effect, promoting better sleep. Garlic emits a strong aroma due to its sulfur compounds. It is believed that inhaling this aroma while you sleep can have a calming effect on your mind and body, reducing stress and anxiety. Some proponents of this remedy claim that the aroma of garlic can help improve breathing, especially if you have a stuffy nose or congestion. Clearer airways can contribute to better sleep quality. In some cultures, garlic is considered a protective herb that can ward off negative energies and bad dreams. Placing it under your pillow may be seen as a way to ensure a peaceful and undisturbed night's rest. If you decide to try this remedy, consider the following tips. Place a small, unpeeled garlic clove or a sachet of dried garlic under your pillow, ensuring it doesn't disrupt your sleep comfort. Change the garlic regularly to maintain its aroma. Pay attention to any allergies or sensitivities you may have to garlic, as the scent may be too strong for some individuals. While it's generally safe to try, if you have allergies, sensitivities, or concerns about the practice, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or consider other well-established sleep-promoting techniques, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a calming bedtime routine, and managing stress. It's important to note that garlic may not have the same effect on everyone. Some people might find it beneficial for sleep, while others may not. Pay attention to how your body responds. Adding garlic to your daily meals, especially in dishes like soups, stews, and stir-fries, can offer its subtle sleep-inducing benefits over time. Of the taste or odor of garlic. You can opt for garlic supplements in the form of capsules or soft gels. Be sure to consult a healthcare professional before adding supplements to your routine. Garlic essential oil, when used in aromatherapy, can promote relaxation and help with sleep. Diffuse a few drops of garlic essential oil in your bedroom before bedtime. Garlic can also improve heart health. It's been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So, the next time you cook with garlic, remember all the goodness it brings into your life. From health to flavor, it truly is a kitchen and wellness superstar. If you like this video, please leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.